Okay, we're going to have a look at efficiency and how this applies to Sankey diagrams. Now this equation you get on your equation sheet, it's one of the 4 or 5. Efficiency is useful energy out over total energy in. Now what I've done here is drawn 2 different Sankey diagrams. I've seen a few questions where they get you to look at 2 different Sankey diagrams and say which one is most efficient. So if we look at this, we don't actually need any numbers on here because we know that this is our total energy, this is our wasted that comes down, and this is our useful. Okay, so we can see here that it's to scale, and if it's on graph paper in the exam, the Sankey diagram is drawn to scale. So we can see here we've got 10 squares, here we've got 10, okay, and that makes the total 20 squares. Now, if we put this through the efficiency equation, useful energy out divided by total energy in, well, the useful energy out would be 10, the total energy in would be 20. So 10 over 20 would give us 0.5, which is equal to 50% efficiency. Okay, if we look at the second one on here, we can see we've still got 20 squares useful. Okay, so that's still 20. However, sorry, we've still got 20 input. The useful is 15 squares. Okay, and the wasted is 5 squares. So if we did this equation again, we would have the useful energy out, which is 15, divided by the total. So 15 divided by 20 would be 0.75, which is equal to 75%. Now, one of the major mistakes I've seen people do is they'll work out using this and they'll times it by 100. So if we work this out, we get 50, but instead of putting the percentage, they just leave it as 50. Now, if this was a 2-mark question, you would find that actually you're not going to get the second mark because you haven't got the unit. I recommend it's best off leaving it as a decimal, so 0.5 or 0.75, and then you don't need to worry about the percentage sign. Okay, I hope that's helpful.